To reset the Fifth Third Bank branch locator, start by visiting the Fifth Third Bank website and click on the Locations tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the branch locator page where you can search for branches by state, city, or zip code. If you have previously searched for a location, the branch locator may retain that information and show you results based on your previous search. To reset the branch locator, click on the Reset button, usually located at the top or bottom of the search results page. This will clear any previous search criteria and allow you to start a new search. Alternatively, you can also reset the branch locator by clicking on the Clear Search button, if available, or by refreshing the web page. This will remove any previously entered search criteria and allow you to enter new information. When resetting the branch locator, make sure to enter the correct search criteria, such as the city, state, or zip code, to get accurate results. You can also use the map view to visually locate branches in your area. To get the most out of the branch locator, use specific and accurate search terms, and make sure to select the correct search radius to get results that are relevant to your location. You can also filter search results by services offered, such as ATM locations or banking services. By following these steps, you can easily reset the Fifth Third Bank branch locator and find the nearest branch or ATM location to meet your banking needs. Remember to always verify the accuracy of the search results and to contact the bank directly if you have any questions or concerns about a specific branch or location.